Is your Ninja Sizzle Pro not heating properly? No sizzle, no preheat, just lukewarm plates? This is usually caused by power issues, sensor resets, or grease blocking the heating element. Let's fix it step by step. By the end of this video, your grill should be heating like it should. Step 1. Check the dial setting. Turn the temperature dial fully until it clicks into place. If it's between levels or not fully engaged, the unit might not activate the heating element. Step 2. Preheat correctly. Wait at least 6 to 8 minutes after switching it on. The Ninja Sizzle Pro needs a full preheat period. Don't place food too early. Step 3. Clean the heating plate. Turn the unit off and let it cool completely. Once it's cool, wipe the heating plate gently with a soft, damp cloth. No abrasives. Grease or residue can block heat flow. Step 4. Use a wall outlet only. Avoid using power strips or extension cords. This grill needs full power. Low voltage or fluctuating current can stop it from heating properly. Step 5. Reset the unit. Unplug the appliance and leave it unplugged for 10 minutes. This resets the internal safety sensors that could have been triggered by power interruptions or thermal protection. That should get your Ninja Sizzle Pro heating up again and ready to cook. Still no heat? Contact Ninja Support. The link is in the description below. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Drop any questions in the comments. We might feature yours next. Thanks for watching, and happy grilling.